everyone, this is Ruth from Ruth and Tom Philippine Adventure. Today I will just do a very short video about how to rid cockroach and ants in your house. It's very simple video, guys, that I can, how to say that, it's really helps a lot for me in a kitchen, most especially when you're having like cookies, sweets, or sugars that, or leftover food in the kitchen that which ants and cockroach will attack. So the simple review for the product that we're using, it's only a chalk. Yeah, chalk. CHALK, chalk, like this. It's called bygone chalk for cockroach and ants killer. So this is very useful, guys, in the house. I started using this one when my father told me that we're having many ants and cockroach in the house, so he told me to buy this chalk. But before, using another brand which is not bygone, the box is color yellow, but now I cannot find that kind of chalk this that, but only I can find in the grocery store is the bygone chalk, this one. So this is very useful, guys. It's easy to use. I will just show you how to use this one, and it's very, how to say, you were really amazed for the effect of this chalk. So I will try to go in the kitchen, which is I have a crackers there, and sometimes when Tom doing his coffee, he will spread some of the sugar on the countertop, so the ants is attack directly on that sugar. So I will show you how to use this one, and I will try to show you how many minutes that this chalk is really effective for killing the ants. So we'll just go to the kitchen. Here's some of a little ants. You can see that one. They're crawling there because in the bottom of this is have crackers and remaining food in the container that they are always attacking. So this bygone chalk I'm holding is they have two stick in there, so it's look like this. So just peel off the cover of this one. You will just peel off this one, then you will just use it. So I fill up this one, so it's like this. So when you select ants like this, you will just make a line, like make a line, do a circle on them like that. It's not really showing that the chalk has been having line already because it's a sandwich panel, which is when the ants smells like this one, they really stop, and we will check how many minutes this one will be disappear. Just like that. And they're also here in the bottom, so I will just make a line here like this. Just follow their line like that's where they go, then just circle to make them drop off the line. And I'm using this before, and what good thing here in this house is no cockroach, so just ants like this. So we will just check how many minutes they were gone. They really like, when they smell the chalk, they really go away like that. And sometimes they will stop where they will be trapped, yeah, like that. So you just do a circle and just make them drop then the ants will die. So here's a bunch of the ants, guys, that I trapped, but some of them are not moving anymore. So I think it's just 1.5 minutes they will just stop. Then here, the first corner that I show you, they're almost gone there. Some are falling down there, so it's easy to rid of this kind of disturbing insects inside the house. So this is very easy tips how to rid of the ants in the house. Yeah, so the bottom, as you can see, they're very less here now. So before they're here on this line, but no more. See, the few there. So it's easy to rid of the, so just use once they trap, they cannot go out anymore, so they will die. Like that. So the bunch here just feels left, but they don't have trail anymore. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit likes and comments down, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet.